The burger joint owns and operates 6 burger outlets in and around Boston. They have the following corporate budget for next year. So this company, Burger Joints, is in the process of budgeting for next year, and they determine that they are going to make a revenue of $10 million. Their fixed cost for the next year is going to be $1.7 million, while their variable cost is going to be $8.2 million. Now consider yourself as a manager of the company and perform sensitivity analysis to determine the impact of the following changes on the budgeted operating income. So basically, based on the revenue, fixed cost, and the variable cost, there is a budgeted operating income for the next year. Now you, being a manager, want to perform a sensitivity analysis to determine what will be the impact on this budgeted operating income if, number one, the fixed cost increases by 5%, and second, the fixed cost decrease by 5%. Now definitely, by just looking at this, we should be able to say that if your cost increases, your income has to reduce, and if your cost decreases, your income has to increase. So let's do the actual calculations to find out the impact on the budgeted operating income. So the information given to us is that the budgeted revenue is equal to $10 million. The fixed cost is equal to $1.7 million, and the variable cost is equal to $8.2 million. So with this information, we have to find out the impact on the budgeted operating income if the fixed cost increases by 5% and if it decreases by 5%. So first, let's find out what is the budgeted operating income for this company. Now, operating income is nothing but profit, and we are using budgeted because it is planned for the next year. And all this information is also the budget information. Now, profit is equal to your selling price minus your cost price. That is in simple terms. So here, the budgeted operating income is equal to, now selling price is nothing but the revenue. Revenue is the unit selling price, that is the selling price of individual units multiplied by the number of units sold. So we'll take the selling price as the revenue. So revenue minus the total cost, which is fixed cost plus the variable cost. So fixed cost plus variable cost. So this is equal to 10 million minus fixed cost plus variable cost. So 1.7 million plus 8.2 million. So this is equal to 10 million minus, so 1.7 plus 8.2, 7 plus 2 is 9, and 8 plus 1 is 9, so 9.9 million, and this is equal to $100,000. So this is the budgeted operating income. Now we have to find out the impact on this budgeted operating income if first there is an increase of 5% in the fixed cost. So what this means is that the new fixed cost will be equal to the original fixed cost, which is 1.7 million, plus 5% of this 1.7 million, because we are supposed to increase the fixed cost by 5%. So what this means is 5% of 1,700,000. So this is equal to 1,700,000 plus, now 5% is 5 divided by 100, and off means multiply and this number, so 1,700,000. So here these two zeros cancel with these two zeros, so this is equal to 1.7 million plus 7 5s are 35, 3 carry over, finds are 5, 6, 7 and 8, and then these 3 zeros. So this is equal to 1,785,000. So basically the fixed cost is increasing from $1.7 million to $1.785 million. So now with this increase, what is the impact on the budgeted operating income? So now the budgeted operating income 1 will be equal to, so revenue minus fixed cost plus variable cost. So the revenue is the same, $10 million, minus, now the new fixed cost is this, so 1,785,000 plus the variable cost, which is the same, so $8.2 million. So this is equal to 10,000,000 minus, so 3 zeros are just like that, so 0 0 0. Now before that, 5 plus 0 is 5, 8 plus 0 is 8, 7 plus 2 is 9, and 8 plus 1 is 9. So this is equal to $15,000. So basically the budgeted operating income has reduced from $100,000 to $15,000. So definitely that was expected, because if you increase the cost without increasing your revenue, basically your operating income is going to reduce. Now let's look at the second case where we are decreasing the fixed cost by 5%, which means that our budgeted operating income should increase. So the second case is decrease of 5% in fixed cost. So now the new fixed cost in this case will be equal to the original fixed cost, which is $1.7 million, minus, because we are decreasing, 5% of the original fixed cost, which is $1.7 million. So this is equal to $1.7 million minus 5 by 100. This is the percentage multiplied by 1,700,000. So again these two zeros get cancelled with these two zeros. So this is equal to 1 700,000 minus 7 5s are 35, 3 carryover, 5 1s are 5, 6 7 and 8, so 85000. So this is equal to, so 1700000 minus 85,000 000. So this becomes 6, 1 carryover, 9, 1 carryover. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 8 is 1, 6 is 6, and 1 is 1. So this becomes $1.615 million. So with this change in fixed cost from $1.7 million to $1.615 million, we are supposed to find the impact on the budgeted operating income. So budgeted operating income 2 is equal to, the formula remains the same, revenue minus fixed cost plus variable cost. So revenue is the same, 10 million. So 10 000 minus fixed cost has changed to 1.615 million. So 1615000 plus the variable cost, which is still the same, 8.2 million. So this is equal to $10 million minus, so last three zeros remain the same, 5 plus 0 is 5, 1 plus 0 is 1, 6 plus 2 is 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9. So this is equal to, so 1000000 minus 9815000. So this is 000, 1 becomes 0, 1 carryover, this becomes 9, 1 carryover, this becomes 9, 1 carryover, this becomes 9, and 1 carryover. So this is 10 minus 5, which is 5, 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 9 is 0. So this is equal to $185,000. So basically, with the budgeted data, the budgeted operating income is $100,000. Now if the fixed cost increased by 5%, the budgeted operating income reduced to $15,000. And if the fixed cost reduced by 5%, then the budgeted operating income increases to $185,000. So this is how you would find out the impact of change in fixed cost to the budgeted operating income.